At Building Zones, we're all about work different, and it's about enabling a fulfilling workplace through enabling technologies. So we look at cloud services and moving to the cloud. We look at converged networks, and we look at what we call the social workplace. And that's all about creating a workspace where the technology is hidden, but at the same time really enables the place to work, be effective, and create the office of the future today.
Dryland is a new type, a new breed of serviced office. It's got the look and the feel of a private members club, but with the surface you would expect from a five-star hotel. Business seems to have moved a long way. Many people don't work in the same style as they used to. They don't need just an address or just a telephone number, and they certainly don't just need four walls where they sit down and plug into their laptop. Generally, people tend to move around these days. They need to be face-to-face, they need to have informal meetings with people over a good cup of coffee. And as that's evolved, we thought it was important for us to evolve the model of offices and serviced offices and the way they're perceived. Quite often when you walk into service, you get everything but the service. And I think that was the most important thing for us. That was the key thing, which was get across that five-star service and make it a great place for people to come and work.
Dryland is a new style of serviced office. At the front we have a cafe. We offer hot drinks and room service to all of our clients, and we'd like to push the boundaries with the technology. We offer far more than other serviced offices. We want our clients to be able to show up, plug their laptop in, log on to the wireless network and be able to get everything they want to be able to get out on the internet and on their own private local network, straight off from the word go.
Technology, especially the wireless internet, was one of the key things for us to consider, because if you're coming to work, you want all the tools in order to be able to work, and internet tends to be one of the most important things.
We were asked by Dryland about 2 years ago to come in and provide insight on the technology that was needed to help them create this vision.
Building Zones came on board from the outset when the concept of Dryland was come up with. They provided and installed the entire system initially, and now they provide support and additional hardware for when we wish to upgrade the system.
So we, in many ways, came up with a shopping list around a number of technologies that they would need to create a really seamless experience for their users. Some of those technologies were things like the One Card, which allows customers to come in, gain entry to the building, use the card for payment in the cafe, also to do follow me printing. Dryland is all about creating an interesting and vibrant work environment, and wireless is a core component of making that environment work effectively. The problem is, though, in the past, wireless, for users has been unreliable, it's been insecure, and it's offered a very patchy service level for clients. However, we're very passionate about Meru networks. It delivers a wireless network for the enterprise that is secure, is reliable, and provides a very predictable experience for their users.
We've been working with Building Zones and Jason for several years now. Building Zones' value proposition is really all about the workplace of the future, flexible working, the use of new technologies to improve the way we go about our work, and obviously that fits perfectly with the Meru wireless proposition. We've got a very complementary offer. Also the fact that the Building Zones is extremely skilled in terms of deploying all kinds of networks, both wired and wireless, and obviously this means when they're talking to a client and recommending Meru, the client can be confident that they're getting an impartial opinion about that based on all that experience that's gone before, and they can be extremely confident Jason's going to deliver a solution for them.
If you're walking into a building that looks as boutique as this does, you don't want to be able to see access points and Ethernet cables and what have you all around the building. So wireless plays a huge part in making sure that our style remains clean and crisp.
One of the real issues with wireless is that essentially it's been designed for the home.
So when they come to the office, they expect to be able to log in, connect and have no problems. They should be able to stream, download videos, go onto their social network sites without any problem.
Dryland is an extreme environment where people are coming in with a whole number of different devices. So we had to design a network that would provide individuals and companies within the space security, but also the ability to roam and be on their particular private network at any instance in time. And I think at Dryland we've achieved that, and I think this offers more than any other serviced office, especially in the UK and potentially worldwide.